This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
To my mind, it is becoming increasingly popular to use eco-friendly materials to prevent waste spread globally. Over the years, plastic waste has been an enormous problem because it has contaminated lakes, oceans, rivers, grounds, and the environment. Undoubtedly, it also causes significant harm to human health due to the hazardous toxins it produces during its decomposition. It takes approximately 1,000 years to decompose plastic, which presumes that if the present generation keeps consuming large amounts of plastic, future generations will unlikely survive in such an environment. Therefore, it is vital to take action now to prevent mass plastic consumption. I think it is partially possible to dispose of a significant part of plastic waste and recycle it as a sustainable energy source. The first step to reducing plastic use is simple for everyone. People should stop buying water bottles and replace them with glass ones or install water filters. This small contribution will decrease the level of pollution at the global level. Moreover, I presume recycling plastic is an excellent option to produce energy. Plastics have a high energy potential that allows the production of electricity, synthetic gas, and even fuel. Thus, by rethinking the idea of using plastic in such a way, it is possible to stop planet contamination. In addition, I believe that people are responsible for taking care of the planet and controlling waste disposal. By reducing plastic consumption, we can allow the planet to live longer and make everyone's lives more environmentally friendly. Unless people know the consequences of plastic proliferation, there is a global threat to their health and the environment. This essay on World Without Plastic: Steps to Reduce Plastic Use was written and submitted by a student just like you. The Ivy Panda Samples database hosts thousands of works similar to this one, on various subjects. Visit ivypanda.com to find what you are looking for, free of charge.